Welcome back to this week's Transformation Tuesday. This is part 2 of I Got My Eye on You. And as I said in part 1, that is from a very underrated film, Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs. Now we're going to go for more of an extravagant look in this part. I've got my Kiss t-shirt on, or rather Hiss t-shirt, so it's time to get the rock chick out. As usual, I'm starting with the Prime and Proper Eye Makeup Primer from ARBONNE. Just like in part 1, I've already hydrated my eyes with the Boots Cucumber Eye Gel. This is because if I'm using a powder-based shadow, I don't want my eyes to dry out. So I'm going to brush all of that in, and then I'm going to get my Revolution's 2016 palette, and I'm having this really nice apricot colour to cover the whole of my lid. I'm going to get my Harry Potter brush because I'm a nerd, and I'm going to brush it all the way up to my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to get stuck into this Marvellous Mattes palette from Revolution. I'm going to use this gorgeous red with my angled Birchbox brush. I'm going to work this from the inside of my eyes to the outside of my eyes, leaving a nice little space underneath my brows. Ooh, red is my colour, girl. How amazing is that colour? So you can't actually tell from my face because I look as miserable as sin, but I am so excited to finally be using this colour palette today. And now you can see how I'm dragging the colour from the outer corner just to make sure I have a little bit of a point there. Once you've done that, do exactly the same on the other side. I'm just going to speed that up for you. Next, we need to throw in some shade. I've definitely been watching too much RuPaul. I'm going to use this burgundy colour and using a teeny tiny brush. And yes, this is another Harry Potter brush. What can I say? I just love it, okay? This beautiful burgundy colour is going to go on the outer corners of my eye, working my way on the crease of my eyelid, and then on the inner corners as well. This is just going to give like a really nice outline, and once I've done that, I'm going to grab my Birchbox brush again. Wow, try saying that when you're drunk. And I'm going to blend all of that in. Ooh, so nice. Now, this next bit is quite a nice technique to follow. So, grab some eye makeup remover. Mine is from Arbonne. And I'm just going to grab a cotton bud or a Q-tip. And I'm going to start removing the colour from the centre of the lid. Like so. Using my Arbonne concealer, I'm going to apply a tiny dot on each lid. And then using this really thin brush, I'm going to create a base for my next colour. Okay, so this is the fun part. I'm going to give myself a white base because, let's face it, it's so much easier to colour on. And then I'm going to dive right into my next colour, which is pink. So I'm going to grab my A04 brush from Spectrum and I'm going to completely cover that white space that I just made. And just to make sure I've got a really sharp outline, I'm going to go over the crease once more and then brush away any fallout. Oh, that just made me think of Fallout Boy. Okay, moving on. So I don't have any glitter on at the minute and that doesn't really sit well with me. So let's add some shimmer to the pink as well as some glitter dust from Barry M. Yes, please. So just to give a little bit more of a rock chick vibe, I'm going to spread that red just underneath the eyes. Woo! Yeah. As always, it wouldn't be the same without a fierce eye flick, yay! So let's bring in some SOAP&GLORY Supercat. Now it's time to zhuzh up your eyebrows in any which way you like and add some lashes. Mine are from EYLURE and I'm going to apply them off camera. They are just so beautiful. Now, I always say that you can never have too much glitter, so I'm going to add more, but this bit is completely optional for you guys. Finally, I'm going to grab myself a red lippy to go with my eyes, and there you have it, a beautifully bold, gorgeously red rock chick. Hi guys, thanks for watching part 2 of I Got My Eye on You. We obviously went for more of a rock chick look today, which I am feeling. I love this look. Woo! If you did enjoy it, please like, subscribe and share. And as always, everything I've used today is completely cruelty free, so I will be popping them in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And also go on my Instagram where you can find out more information about our Transformation Tuesday live, which is on Tuesdays at 6. Tuesdays, obviously, Transformation Tuesday. Apart from that, stay tuned and we'll see you next time.